Welcome to Confessions of a Cable Tech,
Confessions.
where we pull back the curtain on what really happens behind the scenes of a cable technician. You'll hear the untold stories from the techs who see it all, from Wi-Fi disasters to secret tips and everything in between.
Confessions.
Curious to why your appointment was canceled or why your bill is so high? You're about to find out. And today we're talking.
Hey, Tech, do you even like your job?
It's funny you asked that, but yeah, it's definitely a good job. But before we get started, let me be clear. Things I'm going to share is solely my personal opinion and my personal experience. It doesn't represent Comcast, Xfinity, Spectrum, AT&T, DirecTV, or any of them other internet or cable providers. Yo, you just turned the light on. That kind of defeats the purpose, right? You know what? I'm about to throw in the towel anyway. So I guess it's time I give you the whole truth, nothing but the truth. So help me.
Shall set you free!
Confessions.